Abu Juhaifa radiallahu anhu reported the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a bond of brotherhood between Salman and Abu Darda. Salman paid a visit to Abu Darda and found Darda, his wife, dressed in shabby clothes and asked her why she was in that state. She replied, your brother Abu Darda is not interested in the luxuries of this world. In the meantime, Abu Darda came in and prepared a meal for Salman. Salman requested Abu Darda to eat with him, but Abu Darda said, I am fasting. Salman said, I am not going to eat unless you eat. So Abu Darda ate with Salman. When he was night and a part of the night passed, Abu Darda got up to offer the night prayer. But Salman asked him to sleep, and Abu Darda slept. After some time, Abu Darda again got up, but Salman asked him to sleep. When it was the last hour of the night, Salman asked him to get up, and both of them offered Tahajjud prayer. Then Salman told Abu Abu Darda, you owe a duty to your Rabb, and you owe a duty to your body, you owe a duty to your family, so you should give to everyone his due. Abu Darda came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and reported the whole story. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Salman is right, corrected by Al Bukhari.